Welcome to the world of fungi. I don't mean anything wrong. It means welcome to the world of delectable mushrooms. A mushroom pate. Let's get cracking. I'm going to be slicing down about a cup of button mushrooms, to which I'm going to be adding just a little bit of the dried mushrooms as well to give this really nice concentration of flavor. So let's get the pan on going. Superb. I'm going to start off with about a tablespoon of olive oil. So I've got about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. Now just roughly chop some garlic. Just a rough chop, I guess. Then in go our mushrooms. I'm going to be adding some dried mushrooms as well. So maybe a little bit of porcini, a little bit of shiitake, a little bit of oyster. In they go. Some cumin seeds in here as well. What you can do is you can just add just a dash of this mushroom water which I have. Next, I'm going to be adding a good half a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Okay, now once all your juices are reduced, the balsamic vinegar, the mushroom stock. Now what's missing definitely is a little bit of salt. I'm going to go a little easy on the salt because I'm going to be adding Parmesan cheese as well, which is also has a fair amount of salt in it. So be careful, too much salt is bad for you. Some white pepper and some cracked black pepper. So I'm going to be just switching this off because they are nice and reduced. There's absolutely dry, all the moisture is evaporated, which means the balsamic flavor, the mushroom stock, everything has been sucked up by these mushrooms and it's going to be full of flavor. Now I just want to cool this a little bit. In the meanwhile, I'm going to get my stuff ready for the pate. So about 2 tablespoons of walnuts in this, mushrooms in here, 1 tablespoon of nice mustard. I've got some Parmesan cheese which I'm going to grate as well. Fantastico. Some nice rosemary. Okay, rosemary and mushrooms is a marriage made in heaven. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And some clarified butter or melted butter. And give it a nice blend. Yes, it's ready. Superb. So I've got a nice warm grill here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly warm the pita bread. So let's put these on the grill. Lightly on the grill. So they also, see, if you go to see now, they're kind of puffing up as well. Beauty. So these are ready to go. Yeah, switch this off. Okay. It's ready for plate up. Rosemary on the top. Just a little bit of olive oil. Cut it 1 by 2. And here we are. Wild mushroom pate with pita chips